fix the audio problem on Microsoft Teams, this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now, if you are facing the problem of audio on Microsoft Teams, then make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of strong data. So if your device is not connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of strong data, then that may also be the reason that your audio is having such kind of issue. So simply check if it is connected to strong Wi-Fi or data, and if you are still connected and still facing the issue, then you just need to turn on the airplane mode for a few seconds. So by turning on the airplane mode for a few seconds, this helps you to reset all the network settings and also helps you to fix the box and error which are occurring on your app. So if that helps, that's good. If that doesn't help, then you just need to go to settings on the device, and from here you just need to search for the app called Teams or Microsoft Teams. So simply tap on it and tap on the option for it. So under the permission section, you just need to check if you have given permission to the music and audio section of the Teams. So if you have not given permission for it, then that may be the reason that you are not being able to hear the audio on the Microsoft Teams. So by doing all of it, you will be able to fix the audio problem on Microsoft Teams. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.